So my name is Zachary Patterson. I'm a professor at the Institute for Information Systems Engineering at Concordia University in Montreal, Canada. Universities today, one of the major problems that they have is a lack of diversity in thought and in the ability for people to speak their minds. There's a homogenous intellectual climate on campuses, and something that I think the universities themselves would benefit if there was a larger diversity of perspectives available. Centers of civics are extremely important nowadays because increasingly our youth, the children, the students, are no longer really able to understand or appreciate the civic structure of their countries. And particularly not just to understand how the systems work, but also to appreciate just how important they are. I think the Center for Intellectual Freedom will be able to do two things. One is to broaden the scope of intellectual diversity at the University of Iowa, introduce students to a larger variety of theoretical and intellectual traditions. And because of its civics interest, it will also be able to educate students to better understand the institutions that surround them, that they basically are responsible for, and to appreciate them for how valuable they are. It's actually very exciting, especially being in this room and in this building, filled with so much history and tradition, and it feels momentous as part of that it should take place in this building, the foundation and the launch of this new center for intellectual freedom. It's a great event. It's really very exciting. I'm happy to be here with old colleagues and friends, and it's particularly interesting and meaningful for it to take place here at the old Capitol in Iowa City, a place so full of tradition and a place that will be able to, an excellent place for this institution to be launched.